All right, we're going to be using the ideal gas law. The twist here is that our pressure is given in units of torr. Torr is a different unit of pressure, and the definition is that 760 torr is equal to exactly 1 atmosphere. Occasionally you'll see units of millimeters of mercury. More often you'll see torr, at least in this course. But remember, any of these refer to exact conversion factors because they're set by definition. Now, when we're using the ideal gas law, remember you have to use appropriate unit. Volume has to be in liters, pressure in atmospheres, temperature in Kelvin. It's easy to remember this. All you need to do is to refer to your value of R. In R, we see that there are units of liters, atmospheres, and Kelvin. So we start our problem with the ideal gas law, and we're going to solve for temperature. So now we can substitute in our values from the equation. We have moles, liters, and torr. Now we put in our value for pressure. We need our pressure to be in atmospheres, so we're going to base a conversion factor off of this identity. And we see from the setup that our pressure is now going to be in torr. Okay, if we look at our units, we see atmospheres are going to cancel, moles cancel, liters cancel. The only surviving unit is that of Kelvin, which is what we want because we're solving for a temperature. Looking back to our numbers, we can see that we can use 3 sig figs in our answer, and we're done.